Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tech Reviews, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the brand new Sony PlayStation 5. Now I literally cannot wait to open this up, and I'm so happy I get to share this moment with you guys. So if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right, so first things first, this box is huge, and this is mainly because the PS5 is a lot bigger than the PS4. Now, just as a side note, this version of the PS5 comes with a disc tray to insert your physical games, as opposed to the digital edition where this is not included. So, on the front of the box, you get the PS5 logo and image of the console, with some technical specs such as HDR, 8K support at 60 frames per second, and 4K at 120 frames. Now, unfortunately, I won't be testing the 8K support as I don't have an 8K TV to support this, but also because of the crazy price tags. Hopefully later on in the future, once the price of these TVs come down, I might purchase one, but as of now, I shall gracefully pass. On the side, you have the PS5 logo and image again, as well as some small print including the Sony logo, Dolby Audio, HDMI, and some other logos that I have no idea about. Finally, on the back, you get a play like never before message, as well as the PS5 image again, and 825 gigs of storage on the top right. Now, speaking of that guys, that actually really confused me at first, and I didn't really understand why PlayStation didn't offer 1TB of memory like the Xbox Series X did. So it would be good to find out why, and if any of you guys know, please answer in the comment section below. You also get some additional message below, and an age stamp of 7+ on the bottom right. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's start unboxing. So first thing you see when you open the box is another box, but this time fairly plain and simple with just the PS logo. Now once that box is open, you are then provided with some mini instructions on how to take the PS5 out of the box. So let's just go by the book for now. Inside the box is another smaller compartment which contains some paperwork, one PS5 stand in case you want to have your console laid out flat, one HDMI 2.1 cable, one power cable, and finally the brand new Sony PlayStation 5 controller. Now I don't know about you guys, but I am definitely feeling the new design. I'll be reviewing the controller and we'll have a video breakdown going through the details such as the haptics and DualSense within the next couple of days, so make sure your post notifications are turned on and you're subscribed so that you never miss a video. Now for the part you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the brand new Sony PlayStation 5. Now on first glance, this thing is pretty beefy, so you'll probably need to put aside some space if you're thinking about having this laid out flat. For me, I'll be having this standing up, so it shouldn't take up too much room. Now in terms of the dimensions, it has a height of 15 inches and weighs roughly around 10 pounds. The middle has a gloss finish and the case on the side has a matte feel to it. Now cool fact guys, if you actually zoom into the inside of the side panels, you can see the little tiny zeros and X's and the other PlayStation buttons as well. On the front of the device, you have the disc tray which you can use to insert your physical games, as well as the power button, eject disc button, one USB Type-C, one USB 3.0 port, and the air vents on front. On the back of the device, you also have additional air vents, as well as one power input, one HDMI input, one Ethernet input, and finally 2 USB ports. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Connect the HDMI cable to your PS5, and then connect the second end to your TV. Insert your power cable, and once done, hit the power button to turn on the device. From here, you will then be required to sign in or create an account. Once done, you will then be presented with the home page, and you should be good to go from here. In the next couple of videos, I'll be giving my full end-to-end review of the PS5, which will include a deep dive into the technology, as well as the user interface, PlayStation Store, and more importantly, the gaming. So if you want to see these videos as soon as they're released, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're always up to date. But that's all from me guys. Did you also purchase the PS5, or are you planning to get it later on? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tech Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.